Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to control the volume on your AirPods Pro 2. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their AirPods Pros 2. How do you actually go ahead and control the volume? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you want to keep in mind is that with your AirPods Pros 2, if you look very closely at either of the earbuds, on this side over here, you're going to see a flattened portion. And this is the multifunctional control on either of the headphones, okay? So both of your earbuds have this flat portion. And notice how on the back of it, it does not have that flat portion. Now, in order to increase the volume on either earbud, all you've got to do is swipe up on the earbud, okay? So if you swipe up using your index finger, it's actually going to increase the volume. But if you swipe down using your index finger, it's actually going to decrease the volume. So you can do it on both earbuds, in which you can control the volume on both earbuds by swiping up or down. So if you can imagine, your earbuds are placed like this over here. So you would grab your earbud just like this and then swipe up as it's in your ear, and then swipe down in order to decrease the volume. Now, in order to actually pause and play music, you just have to press the multifunctional pad once to pause or play. And you could tap it twice to skip to the next song. And if you tap it 3 times, it's actually going to skip backward to the previous song. So that right there, guys, is how to control the volume on your AirPods Pro 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.